All right, so right now our iNav is looking quite clean and we are in the modes menu. So we came from the top, now we are at the bottom right there. We going to get it done. Our receiver is currently connected. We have telemetry and that's the main thing right there. With the modes menu, we can now add different ranges. So here in modes, we have this selected, so you can show all the modes that are not currently configured, so you can scroll through them, see what's available in this new iNav, and also see which one we need to actually configure. So here on the arm, I'm going to select range, and I want my arm button to be this one, so set it on auto right here. I'm going to select this here. So this is channel 5, and once ever that switch is turned on or in the position that I want it, this is when I'm going to slide my slider right here, so that this line would be in this right there. When I turn it off, it should be out of it. So this is arm and this is disarm. Same thing for preamp. I'll be using this button. If I use a button by accident, now my channel 16 is the accelerometer or the gyroscope inside of this TX. Now I'm going to keep my TX a little bit stationary. I'm going to select this here, select auto, then press the button that I want. Once you select auto, then you can press that button and then it will map that channel to you automatically. So with that button pressed down, I can see that this is the range I should have it in. And then when I click it out, this is it being disabled. So now I can preamp like this by pressing preamp and then switching on. So this is preamp, then what is preamp anyways? So preamp, on the other hand, if you are not accustomed to it, it is a safety procedure to arm your drone. So it's like an ignition. You basically preamp every single time you go into arm. So even though you arm and you disarm, but your preamp is still on, you'll not be able to arm. You have to disable preamp, enable it, and then arm. So that's how you actually arm your drone. It's basically to avoid arm the drone by mistake. Here we have flight modes, and we can have angle. We can have angle to be this down here. Down select auto again. That's angle channel 7. And I'll be using one button for angle. I'll put it at the top here instead. So angle mode will be in my top position right here. And I'm going to have horizon mode by selecting the range. It will still be channel 7, which is the same button, the same switch, and then I'm going to put it down here. So right now here I'm in horizon mode, and like right or here I'm in angle mode. So I can switch between modes with one switch while on the same channel here. So generally just the range you have to find. So here you have different modes. So attitude hold, and I can choose attitude hold to be, I have not mapped these buttons, but if the buttons does not work for you, you have to configure it first in your mixers, and I have a video showing you configuring your mixers for your drone right here, for your transmitter. So for now I can simply choose that one as attitude hold. Matter of fact, I rather hold it down for attitude hold. Let's see if it works. That's not mapped. So I will use channel 9 for attitude hold. So when it's all the way down, it will go all the way over there. So that's generally my attitude hold. And let's see if it actually works. So here you see they have different modes here. You have OSD mode on, OSD mode off, and you have different OSD profiles. So you have camera modes here, you have beepers, you have gimbals, and miscellaneous right here. For now, we're gonna click save, and then that's generally it. In the last videos, we were in the fail-safe mode. Right now, we're back in fail-safe because we cannot arm our drone while it is connected to Betaflight. So while it is connected to Inav, so what you're gonna be doing is, so in the last videos we're in fail-safe mode, and this is right now because we just saved this. Fail-safe is now on. We have modes now mapped to our TX, and we cannot arm our drone while we are in iNav, while we are connected to iNav. So what you're going to be doing is disconnect the drone, connect the battery, and test out the buttons and ensure that it's mapped. And that's it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe to the channel.